Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play good news. Begin by stating the positive outcome directly, without delay. For example, say we achieved our sales target. Then, provide the necessary background information to give your audience a full understanding. Remember to keep your tone upbeat and be ready to elaborate on any points. This approach ensures your message is received clearly and positively. When crafting your good news message, clarity is paramount. Use straightforward language, avoiding jargon, so everyone understands the positive outcome. Emphasize the benefits for those listening, making the news personally relevant. Think about the optimal time and place for your announcement. A quiet, focused environment is often best. A quick practice run can boost your confidence and ensure a polished delivery. To truly engage your audience, invite questions and foster an open discussion. This shows you value their input and helps clarify any points. Support your good news with specific examples or relevant data. For instance, our new process reduced errors by 25%. Always acknowledge the hard work of those who contributed. Finally, take a moment to celebrate the achievement and reinforce its positive impact. When delivering good news, avoid burying it under less important details. Lead with the positive. Do not downplay the significance of the achievement. Celebrate it appropriately. Be careful not to make promises you cannot fulfill, as this can erode trust. Your enthusiasm should be genuine and authentic, not exaggerated. A balanced and sincere approach ensures your good news resonates effectively with everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.